Welcome to the future of utility distribution work. Introducing the TRX Series from Terex Utilities, a new generation of aerial devices engineered for performance and versatility. The TRX Series includes 4 models: the TRX 41, TRX 48, TRX 52, and TRX 55. Each is built with industry-leading platform and material handling capacities, increased payload, and simplified maintenance. At the heart of the TRX Series is the redesigned boom, hundreds of pounds lighter yet stronger and more stable, delivering thousands of pounds of payload depending on configuration. Mounted on a Class 5 or 6 chassis, these units require no CDL and feature full-pressure hydraulic controls with a single-stick controller for smooth, intuitive operation. Every TRX model offers an industry-leading 500-pound platform capacity. Add the new Ranger jib, and you get up to 1,000 pounds of lifting capability, ideal for demanding job sites. The Ranger jib delivers reduced weight, higher lift capacity, easier pin access, 90-degree articulation, and compatibility with most aftermarket attachments. The rectangular filament-wound fiberglass boom construction provides strength, stability, and insulation. And maintenance is simple thanks to powder-coated components, zinc-rich primer, minimal upkeep for the fiberglass boom, and commonality of parts across the entire TRX series, which streamlines inventory and service. With multiple configurations, the TRX series adapts to your fleet's needs and delivers the quality, power, and performance you expect from Terex aerial devices. The Terex TRX Series. Built reliable. Built better. Built different.